So if you're afraid of outliving your money, then listen up, folks. You're gonna love a fixed index annuity with an income rider because Hi, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. And let's talk about annuities for dummies. Okay, so I'm not calling you a dummy if you don't know what an annuity is, but you know what? Sometimes we want simple explanations about how complex products work in the financial world. You know, there was a guy that wrote a book, Annuity for Dummies, and I wrote a book called Guaranteed Retirement. And there are many, many books out there about annuities, about retirement planning, and there's different opinions, but I think some of the most common agreements that I see is that when people are talking about retirement planning, retirees want certainty. And annuities, that's what they provide, certainty. So if you are wanting just a very, very easy explanation about how an annuity works, you're in the right place. All right, so an annuity is a contract, okay? It's not the same as a stock, as an investment in real estate, bonds, ETFs. They're all some sort of investment. Annuities are guarantees, okay? They provide peace of mind, kind of like life insurance. You buy life insurance not to, become rich, although you can do that with an IUL. You can build up wealth and distribute tax-free income to yourself later on in the form of loans, but that's another topic. Okay, primarily life insurance it's a contract to cover yourself or really cover your family if you pass away too early. Okay, like myself, I'm young, I've got 5 kids. And so life insurance is used for if you pass away before you retire, usually because you want to make sure that your beneficiaries, your family are taken care of. They have their income needs met. Maybe you want a house paid off. Okay, but you're purchasing a contract when you purchase life insurance. You don't have the same feeling towards it as you do when you buy a stock, right? When you buy a stock, you want that thing to go up. You want to make tons of money, right? It's a completely different feeling. Instead of looking for growth, you're looking for protection for your family. Okay, so an annuity is protection for you. Okay, it's protection against longevity risk. And I'm talking about fixed index annuities with income riders. There's 3 types of annuities, okay? You've got the fixed, which are MYGA contracts. That MYGA stands for multi-year guaranteed annuity contract. It's very, very straightforward, simple. The MYGA is fixed, it's protected against market fluctuations, and it gives you a fixed rate of return, okay? The variable over here, not so much, okay? If the market fluctuates, goes up, goes down, so will your annuity account value, okay? So that's how the variable works. You can lose a lot of money in a variable annuity. And you can also make a lot if those sub-accounts perform well. So those are 2 sides of the spectrum. What I'm talking about right now is the hybrid, right in the middle, okay? The fixed indexed annuity that gives you some of the growth of the index, not all of it, but also gives you 100% protection from market downturns, kind of like the fixed side. So the hybrid is it gives you protection, 100% protection, and it gives you some of the growth of the index. And so in return, of course, you get security, okay? You get guarantees, especially if you have an income rider attached. An income rider will give you guaranteed income at the highest level for your retirement, and it protects you against longevity risk. So if you're afraid of outliving your money, then listen up, folks. You're gonna love a fixed index annuity with an income rider because that is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to get the highest amount of guaranteed income for the rest of your life. It's paying higher than SPIA contracts. Those are single premium immediate annuities, whether they're deferred like a DIA. They're paying more than those. So most of the time you'll see in my videos, I do talk a lot about income and guarantees. And so when I say annuities for dummies, the easiest way to explain an annuity, if you're looking for income, is it's a pension. That's simply what it is. Okay, it's kind of like Social Security. Social Security is a pension. Okay, the pension from if you're lucky enough to have one from your employer, you're going to have that pension. But oftentimes it's not enough. And so what people do is they take their 401ks, they take their IRAs, they take their cash in their brokerage accounts, in their bank accounts, whatever, and they use it to purchase an annuity or purchase a pension. And so You got $500,000 and you're willing to let it sit for, several years. That can give you a pension of 50 or 60 grand a year for the rest of your life. And if you live for 30 years on a 60,000 a year, that's like $1.8 million. So it's like buying a $1.8 million pension with $500,000. And of course, that works well when you can buy it and you can let that income rider work for you, because income riders provide guaranteed growth rates, that those growth rates increase the value of your pension, okay? And because of that, you can activate that income whenever you please. Of course, the longer you wait, the longer you give that pension money, that pension value to grow to give you the highest payout possible. Really, you got to think about these as contracts, okay? They're not the same as stocks, bonds, options, mutual funds, real estate. They're just not the same thing, okay? All of those other investments go up and down. They fluctuate. With an annuity contract, you're buying certainty, okay? You're buying a guarantee, you're buying peace of mind. It's a completely different mindset. And so that's why you take the portion of assets that's necessary and place them into an annuity contract over here to give you that guaranteed income for the rest of your life, so that when the market is fluctuating and your other investments are not doing what you want them to do, you're fine, because you've got the income coming over here, coming into your bank account each month, and you're at peace. You can still go on vacation, see your grandkids. You can do whatever you want to do and not have to worry so much about your investments being in the dumps, because you know it'll turn around. It's a lot better than relying on those investments for your income and your growth. Why not just rely on them for your growth and rely on the annuities for your pension income, okay? It'll give you a lot of peace of mind. It'll help you think more clearly when things are not going your way with your other investments, and not make rash or emotional decisions and basically lose money because you want to liquidate when usually it's not the right thing to do. And if you're looking for a contract and a guarantee as part of your portfolio, then I would invite you to book a call with me. There's a link below this video. It goes straight to my calendar. I'm not gonna try to push or sell you anything, but if you are thinking about purchasing an annuity with me, then I'd love to talk with you. It's quick, it's easy, and it can certainly change your retirement. I show everything that's available. Okay, it does not matter to me what I am making. Obviously, I'd love to sell you the annuity that pays me the most commission, but I'm gonna show you all the ones that pay me the least amount as well, especially if they are paying you more. That's part of my job as a certified financial fiduciary, is to show you everything, okay? So I hope that resonates with you. If it does, book a call. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey there, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got questions, please share them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.